In a tragic incident in Utah, parents have been charged following the death of their 3-month-old baby. Allow me to recount the details. A young father named Israel Levi Gonzalez Gomez, 21 years old, found himself desperate to calm his baby girl as she wouldn't stop crying. Little did he know that this desperate act would lead to grave consequences. Authorities have now charged him with the murder of his daughter, along with child abuse with injury and child abuse homicide. The online jail records reviewed by People reveal the severity of the charges. The baby, known as Dariana Gonzalez-Samano, was taken to a local hospital in serious condition on February 19. Charging documents reviewed by People state that she had suffered 3 cardiac arrests before being rushed to Primary Children's Hospital in Salt Lake City. Medical examinations disclosed retinal hemorrhages, a traumatic cataract, and brain bleeding. According to the documents, the father admitted that Dariana cried excessively during the first few weeks of her life. He described feeling desperate to find a way to calm her down. On the night of the alleged incident, he and the baby's mother gave her a bath in a small tub and put her to bed. However, despite their efforts, the baby continued to cry throughout the evening. The father, in search of a solution, resorted to lightly spanking Dariana, following a recommendation from his sister. Tragically, this act seemed to have unforeseen consequences. When the baby's mother entered the room, she found Dariana limp and pale. In a panic, they rushed her to the hospital. Days later, during a second interview with detectives, the father revealed additional information. He claimed that Dariana fell off the bed while he was changing her, causing her face to become red and swollen. He stated that she fell asleep afterward, but when he tried to put her in her crib, she went limp. The documents further detail that her heart stopped beating when he placed her on the bed, and blood came out of her nose during CPR attempts. The baby's mother, Andrea Samano Galeana, 20 years old, has also been charged in connection with the incident. She faces a second-degree felony charge of obstructing justice. The documents state that she had noticed the father handling the baby roughly and had raised concerns about it. She even texted him, expressing her worry that the baby had been hit. His alleged response was chilling, stating that if he had indeed hit her, she would not stop bleeding. Both Gomez and Galeana are currently being held at the Salt Lake County Jail, as indicated by online jail records. It remains unclear whether they have obtained legal representation. As the investigation continues, the family of the little girl is left to mourn her untimely loss. A GoFundMe page has been created by the baby's grandmother, identified only as Elizabeth, to help cover the funeral expenses. She describes Dariana's short life as filled with moments of joy and precious memories, emphasizing the suddenness of her passing. The district attorney, Sim Gill, expressed condolences for the baby's tragic death and urged the community to remain vigilant in protecting the welfare of children. He emphasized the importance of reporting any signs of potential harm to children to law enforcement. The story serves as a reminder of the need to ensure the safety and well-being of our youngest and most vulnerable members of society. And with that, we've reached the end of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any new videos, and stay tuned for more in our next video.